Okay, this is the second half of level 1 of Act 4.
Got him.
I took the left route in case you didn't see the first part. There's a Theron guard up here. Easiest way to get past him is just cover against this wall and then let him run up to you. Either you or your teammate will cut him in half. Now, I usually like to trade the sniper for the torque bow here, just because it seems like it's a lot easier to kill Theron guards with the height advantage with the torque bow rather than with the sniper. Got him. Just stay up here. Don't go into the next little area. Don't jump over that little wall, because that will activate the next string of guys. And you don't want to do that until you clear this first area. I like to take the sniper for the next part, because there's not many guys down below that you need to kill. But what you want to do here is just kind of sit here and wait for all the Cedar's little enemies. I forget what they're called, the little guys that he spits up. And then after you kill all the guys that he spits, walk through that doorway, and that'll activate the wretches and that grub that you see up ahead. Now, after you clear that room, you can walk in there and pick up the Hammer of Dawn, but watch out because there's going to be a couple more wretches that come after you. And they only come after you walk into that next room. Now you get the Hammer of Dawn. Very conveniently placed again. So take out that Cedar, and then as soon as he's dead, an emergence hole forms, and you can use the Hammer of Dawn to close the emergence hole. Also, if there's any other guys walking around that your teammates haven't taken out yet, you can take them out with the Hammer of Dawn. Oh, that's not a bad guy. That's my teammate. Whoops.
Hammer of Dawn is offline.
I'll take that.
So, now that the Cedar's dead, you can drop the Hammer of Dawn. So, now you're in this next area. And there's a couple wretches that come after you. So be sure to take them out before you get before you start sniping all the guys across the way, across the courtyard. So just stay up top and keep sniping. Don't go down yet until everyone's dead. It'll make it a lot easier on yourself. Now, I don't follow my own rule here. They usually come up ahead, or the next wave of guys usually comes out, but they didn't get activated here, so I had to run down and get the second wave started. So just stay behind the hedges and kill them all from there. You shouldn't have any problems with them. Now, the first time I played through this level, when I got to this point, this area was completely clear. The other two teammates that I split up with had already killed everybody in this area. So if you're lucky, that'll happen for you. If not, hopefully you have a sniper rifle and have good aim with it. Now, unfortunately, shooting the propane tanks doesn't kill him like I thought it might have.
I can't see it. You're blocking my shot.
Now, as soon as they're all dead, you can
Thanks for the assist.
You know
shoot
it.
that last
That's
propane
why we're
tank,
here.
and then you're on to the next level.
Let's do this.
Drop it! Now!
They're not going anywhere yet. All right. Dom and I will go ahead, clear the way. You catch up when you can.